TEYU cooling systems, blue laser for welding. Today about that and many more. This is the Wattsan channel. My name is Lin, and this is the second episode of Wattsan News. There is a gradual increase in the use of blue lasers for welding applications. This type of laser has a wavelength of 455 nanometers compared to the usual 1064 nanometers of infrared lasers. What does a blue laser provide? Reduces thermal impact, thus lowering the chance of surface deformation, increases accuracy and welding speed. This laser causes almost no spatter and porosity in the material, provides increased mechanical strength of welds. We hope blue laser will quickly integrate into the industry and become as widely available as infrared lasers. Weihong has made updates to its Bevel cutting system, which is used in shipbuilding, automobile industry, and construction. The updates include new features to simplify operations and improve accuracy. Focus changes composition. When cutting particularly thick materials, focus adjustment may be required, and this function provides that. The ability to create the suspended edge. This effectively reduces material waste and saves costs. Intelligent path planning. The system can now optimize the travel process. Visual calibration function. Special CCD cameras automatically measure potential mechanical errors and compensate for them. Another development from BOCHU is the My Machine program for more convenient communication with machines. This software provides you with the ability to control a machine system in real time and monitor their condition. You can get a notification about a finished task or emergency rights in the moments of happening. Furthermore, there is a collection of maintenance guides. Users get maintenance reminders on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. And what kind of control system do you use and why? Let us know in the comments. TEYU has announced new cooling systems, the Enclosure cooling units or ECU series. These are suitable for use in CNC machinery, telecommunications, etc. This type of chiller maintains the temperature and required humidity levels inside the electrical cabinet, ensuring stable operation of the control system. The ECU operates at temperatures ranging from -5 to 50 degrees. Their cooling capacities range from 300 watts to 1440 watts. The temperature setting ranges from 25 to 38 degrees. This is a great solution for those working in unstable conditions, helping to extend the life of the equipment.
Ruida updates their main and most popular controller. Now it has a different name, RDC8445S, and more functions. It will make the working process even more reliable and convenient for users. What's new? Increase the memory storage. It used to be 128 megabit. Now you can store 8 gigabit. Now there is a Wi-Fi transfer rate, maximum of 50 megabit per second. Expansion possibility. The controller has one extended serial port for communication with various devices. Wireless communications. Data transfer is now available through the Wi-Fi. Mobile app. Ruida developed this to make CNC machine control even more comfortable. Now you can use your smartphone to edit layouts or create them, adjusting settings, monitor everything in real time, and many more. Wattsan will be the first one to install them on the machines.
Wattsan continues to update machines and create new ones. In the near future, await new gantry laser marker, laser welding machine with 6,000 watts power, modernizations in CO2 laser machines that will provide better cutting, cleaner, and faster engraving. Ruida participated in the China International Industry Fair, where it presented several new technologies, including a new generation of laser marking control systems. This system allows direct operation with the marker without a computer and features a touchscreen interface. At the fair, they also showcase a vision fiber laser cutting system. It can operate with 6 axes, work fully offline. has automatic parameter calibration, and much more. We will share more details about these systems in the next video. In the beginning of 2025, Wattsan plans to participate in 3 expos. First is the SPS exhibition, which is going to be held from the 25th of February to the 27th. Second is the APPP Expo, from the 4th of March to the 7th. Wattsan has been a part of it before, and this event becomes an annual one for the company. Third is CMES, from the 3rd of April to the 6th. The exhibition is going to be dedicated to metalwork. More information will be provided in our social media and mail. This is Wattsan News and the latest information from the laser technology and CNC machinery world. Subscribe and give us a like so you won't miss the next video.